How to cartoon photo yourself on Person app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up the application. Now tap on gallery. Now give all the permissions. Now choose your photo. Now scroll to the almost right and tap on tools. Now click on art. Now scroll to the right and select cartoon beauty. Now tap on apply. Now click on save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.